All right, kids, it's time for you to take over the WFES Insta for weather, and I think this is a fairly easy assignment. So on each slide, you're going to notice a picture that I have placed on there for you. Your job is to explain that to your followers as best as possible. For instance, you notice over here I have a cumulus cloud. So I'm going to come up here and grab a text box. I'm going to put the text box in here. And then if I were to type about the cumulus clouds, there they are. Cumulus clouds are big, white, and puffy. When you see cumulus clouds, you can count on fair, sunny weather. Now you can tell that this is acceptable fifth grade writing. This is not white, puffy, good weather. Like that's 4 words is not enough. You need to write this like a fifth grader, writing complete sentences that be very descriptive, because this is your professional weather Insta account that you're doing. If you have enough room, you may come back up here and drag your picture in. And that would be my first completed slide for my Instagram page for the WFES. Now, if you have the time, which you probably will not, you can always go back in and change things like this. But I do not expect that, nor do I want people to spend the entire time working on some teeny tiny little picture. You are welcome to come up here and get rid of this if you want to. Well, if I can get it all to click, WFES, weather, stretch it out a little bit, and I can change that. That's fine if you want to do that. I think this is a fairly easy assignment. Of course, you can use your notes to help you out with that. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe.